Alright, this is the third video on the topic dictionaries, and in this video we are going to learn how to get a particular item from a dictionary. Again, let us compare with list and see how we got an item from a list. So we got the items using the index number, remember? So we created a list of fruits in the previous week. So this is a list we created. Let me uncomment it. Now if we want to add mango as output, if we want to get mango as output, we use the index. So we would print fruits, within square brackets we would put 0. Now let's save the file and run the code. So we got the output as mango. Now this is the same dictionary we created for mango in our previous video. Now let me again uncomment it. Now let us see how to get the value from the dictionary. Now I want to print mango, which is the name of the fruit. So how do we do that? We use a key to get the value. So in the list we use index, and in dictionary we will use a key. So we write print, open the bracket, close the bracket, fruit, and within square brackets we put within quotes name. Remember, name is a string, so we need to put it within quotes. Always remember that if your key is a string, you have to use quotes. So now save the file and run the code. You will see that mango is printed. So let me repeat this. We will use a key to get the value. Let's try another example. Let us say we want to print the season of the mango. So we want summer as the output. What will we do? We will write print, open the bracket, close the bracket, fruit, and then square brackets, and within single quotes we will write season. Now save the file and run the code. Now summer is printed as output. So can you create a dictionary with details about you like name, age, hobby, country, and then print the values separately? So I'm sure you will enjoy that exercise. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.